Okay, so this screencast is going to just confirm what we did in lesson for sorting and filtering data. So the first thing, sorting. If you want to sort something, all you do is, so let's look at this, we've got a range of films and games and music and lots of different prices for them. I just want it in A to Z order, so ascending order of the kind of item it is. So just click on any one of these, right click, sort A to Z, and you've got them sorted in ascending order. Or alternatively, rather than right clicking, I could click on any one of them and up here choose the sort A to Z that way. So either one of those will just sort one column of data in ascending or descending order. Before we go any further, to stress, you do not highlight a row of information and then sort. If you noticed, I only clicked on one cell just to tell Excel the column I wanted to sort. I didn't highlight the data, because if you do, you'll find a problem. Let's look at this for example. I've got a film that's numbered M123 and it costs £5.99. Now let's say I was asked to sort them in the item price order and I highlighted just the item prices, which is wrong, and then sort them. And I just accept this. Oh yes, I'll continue with the current selection because I'm rushing and I'm not reading the screen, which is warning you that there's something wrong. If you look now, my game that's M123, it's now saying it's £19, and I know it's not £19. I know it's £5.99. Basically what you've done now is you've messed up all of your data, and you would have to completely close your file down without saving the changes, unless obviously, like in my case, it's the last thing that you'd just done and I could undo it. So do not highlight a piece of data. So that's how you do one sort. But let's say I want them sorted in the type of item, but then in price order. So what I want is, for example, I want all the films to start at the top, F for film, but then I want the cheapest film here and the most expensive here. Well, if I right click on the price and sort that, well, it's messed my films up now. So if you want to sort more than one field, what we do is use this custom sort, and this is the only way you can sort under more than one field at one time. So first, what do you want to sort under? So item type, and I want to sort it A to Z, and then add a level, and then it's saying, well, what's the second thing you want to sort? And it's the item price, and I want that smallest to largest. And then if I OK that, if you look, I've got them all A to Z films, but then the films inside themselves are their own little order, highest to lowest to highest, and then again my games, if you look, my games are the cheapest to the most expensive. So more than one field to sort, you must custom sort. And then the next thing is filtering. So if I turn my filter on, filtering is just going to show you certain pieces of information. So if I only want to see on screen my films, then turn your filter on and then just click at the side of this and then untick what you don't want to see and tick what you do. So I only want to see the films, and then there you have it. And then if I only also wanted to see the films that cost more than £10 and it's the item price that I'm looking at, then I could say here number filter greater than 10, and then it only shows me those that are more than £10. Whenever you use a new filter, click to turn off the filter and then click to turn it back on again. So to recap, to sort one field, just right click anywhere in that column, in that field, and sort, and it'll sort it highest, lowest, or lowest, highest. If I want to sort more than one field at the same time, so you're creating your own little categories within categories, it's the custom sort where we add different levels, and you can always delete one if you've done one by mistake. And if I only want to see certain records, then that's when I turn on my filter and just tick the ones that I only want to see. And that's it.